another episode, and there has been request for creating a script for an incident in Microsoft Azure Sentinel. I have been putting a lot of introductory video, some technical videos on architecture and how to understand, but I have not put any video which will go deep down and may not be able to show you in the live demo environment, which I don't have it anymore, or I'm not putting effort basically. But what I'm trying to give you an idea with the overall security governance, security programs, and everything. So Sentinel is a very small piece of that puzzle. But since you asked me, what I have done is I tried to look up some script available. So this is something you will have to start looking at yourself, do practice in your lab, and maybe I can put some more videos about the Azure Sentinel. How does it work? So it can help you. But when it comes to basically pull those incident needs to be triggered in the system, right? For a Microsoft 365 identity related, or maybe a Windows Defender related incident, maybe some permission, Azure security, you name it. So basically, it all depends first how you configured your Sentinel and you're collecting those incidents on the dashboard. And from there, how you want to automate it, right? So this is something you have to practice yourself in your lab, but that's the how-to and the tooling you would do it. But before that, you need to make sure you collect the data from all the sources. So I'm going to show you code sample and see if that works for you. You want to try it. So as you can see, there is a code sample. So what it does, it creates the incident with the name, the description, and severity, and then adds some more data to the incident. Then it assigns the incident to the particular person, where or it could be a distribution list, right? Then it also pull your subscription. So basically, the subscription, what you see is a sample one. In the real scenario, you will have to add your subscription and to make it work. And you need to then adjust severity for the data and comment accordingly, because depending what type of incident you want to get in that. So if the severity is critical high, in those scenario I would recommend, not for the informative or low and medium. So it all depends. It is something you will have to try and test in the lab and let me know. I hope this is helpful. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye, and stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.